imagine a story that bridges the wisdom of ancient India with the cutthroat world of modern politics. A story where a visionary from over 2000 years ago inspires a modern-day mastermind to reshape the destiny of a nation. Welcome to the world of the Chanakya Chant by Ashwin Sanghi, a gripping novel that blends historical intrigue with contemporary drama. The Chanakya Chant is a masterful thriller that seamlessly interweaves two gripping tales, separated by over 2000 years but connected by a shared theme, the pursuit of power. The novel juxtaposes the life of the ancient strategist Chanakya with the modern-day journey of Gangasagar Mishra, a political genius. Through this dual narrative, Sanghi explores timeless principles of strategy, manipulation, and ambition. The ancient story, Chanakya's rise to power. The story begins in 340 BCE, in Patliputra, modern-day Patna, the capital of the Nanda Empire. Vishnugupta Chanakya, a brilliant but impoverished Brahmin scholar, lives a quiet life dedicated to learning and teaching. His world turns upside down when his father, a principled man, is brutally killed by the soldiers of the corrupt king, Phenananda. Consumed by grief and anger, Chanakya vows to overthrow the tyrant and create a just and united Bharat, India. What sets Chanakya apart is not brute strength but his unmatched intellect. Aware that his quest for revenge and justice cannot succeed through sheer force, he begins formulating a plan rooted in strategy, alliances, and deception. Chanakya becomes a political advisor to Chandragupta Maurya, a young warrior with great potential. With meticulous planning, Chanakya trains Chandragupta, shapes his character, and prepares him to overthrow the Nanda dynasty. Armed with the Arthashastra, his groundbreaking treatise on statecraft, economics, and warfare, Chanakya orchestrates a series of events that dismantle the existing power structure. He forges unlikely alliances, bribes officials, spreads disinformation, and uses spies to weaken his enemies. His strategies are ruthless but effective, guided by the belief that the end justifies the means. Eventually, through a combination of clever diplomacy and strategic warfare, Chandragupta Maurya ascends the throne, establishing the Mauryan Empire. Chanakya's vision of a unified and prosperous Bharat becomes a reality, though not without significant personal sacrifices. His legacy as one of history's greatest political minds is cemented. The modern story, Gangasagar Mishra's political ascent. In parallel, the novel shifts to the 21st century, introducing Gangasagar Mishra, a poor but astute Brahmin boy from Uttar Pradesh. Much like Chanakya, Gangasagar is driven by ambition and an unyielding desire to rise above his humble origins. His journey begins as a teacher, but he quickly discovers his true talent lies in understanding and influencing people. Gangasagar sets his sights on the chaotic world of Indian politics, where power is the ultimate currency. Using his sharp intellect and an uncanny ability to manipulate situations, he becomes a kingmaker. His protege is Chandini Gupta, a young woman from an underprivileged background whom Gangasagar grooms to become India's Prime Minister. Gangasagar's rise is not without challenges. He navigates a treacherous landscape filled with corrupt politicians, opportunistic allies, and ruthless rivals. Like Chanakya, he uses manipulation, blackmail, and deceit as tools to achieve his goals. Through careful planning, he engineers Chandini's meteoric rise in the political arena, ensuring she wins the trust of the people while systematically eliminating her adversaries. While separated by centuries, the lives of Chanakya and Gangasagar share striking similarities. Both men are master strategists who prioritize the greater good over personal morals. Chanakya manipulates kingdoms to establish a unified India, while Gangasagar exploits modern-day politics to shape the future of the nation. Both narratives explore the idea that power is not inherently good or evil, it is a tool, and its value depends on how it is wielded. Chanakya and Gangasagar believe in pragmatism over idealism, and their actions are driven by a clear understanding of human nature. Themes explored in the novel: power and strategy. The novel delves into the art of acquiring and maintaining power, drawing heavily from Chanakya's Arthashastra. It shows how timeless principles of statecraft and strategy remain relevant in modern politics. Moral ambiguity. Both protagonists operate in morally gray areas, making decisions that often challenge conventional ethics. Their actions force readers to question whether the ends truly justify the means. Leadership and mentorship. The relationship between Chanakya and Chandragupta parallels that of Gangasagar and Chandini. Both mentors shape their proteges into powerful leaders, proving that great leadership often requires guidance and vision. Revenge and redemption. For Chanakya, his journey begins with a personal vendetta. For Gangasagar, it is about rising above his circumstances. Both men use their struggles as fuel for their ambitions. Timelessness of strategy. The novel emphasizes that while the tools and technologies of governance may change, the fundamental principles of strategy remain constant across time. Key takeaways. Chanakya's wisdom. The ancient strategist's teachings from the Arthashastra are woven throughout the novel, offering insights into governance, economics, and human behavior. The cyclical nature of history. By juxtaposing the two narratives, Sanghi suggests that history often repeats itself, albeit in different forms. The role of visionaries. Both Chanakya and Gangasagar demonstrate how visionary individuals can shape the destiny of nations. Ashwin Sanghi's The Chanakya Chant is more than just a political thriller, it is a reflection on the timeless nature of power and strategy. The dual narrative structure keeps readers engaged, while the philosophical undertones provoke deeper thought. Whether you are drawn to the historical intrigue of ancient India or the high-stakes drama of modern politics, the novel offers a captivating exploration of the human quest for power. This story challenges us to rethink morality, question the cost of ambition, and understand the delicate balance between vision and manipulation. It's a reminder that while the tools and players may change, the game of power remains the same. And so, as we come to the end of the Chanakya Chant, we are left with a profound realization. The lessons of history are never truly confined to the past. Through Chanakya's genius in ancient India and Gangasagar Mishra's shrewdness in the modern world, Ashwin Sanghi reminds us that the art of power, strategy, and leadership is timeless. Whether you're inspired by the wisdom of Chanakya or intrigued by the political maneuvers of Gangasagar, one thing is clear: knowledge, strategy, and resilience are the keys to shaping our destiny. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Chanakya Chant. If you found this exploration insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating books. Let us know your thoughts on this incredible story in the comments below. Until next time, keep reading, keep exploring, and remember, great leaders are made, not born.